Good morning, everyone. In this episode, we are going to discuss a few problems regarding the theory what we have discussed last 5 episodes. In order to better understand this episode, I suggest you to visit all the 5 episodes, then come back to this episode to better understand these problems. These are all the 5 problems. Just to go through the questions. So first question, if capital A is equal to 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5 and B is equal to 2 3 4 5 2 1, we have to find AB and BA, that means product of two matrices GT. Given that capital A is equal to 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5. Can you tell me the order of this matrix? Is 2 by 3. Yes or no? Now B matrix 2 3 4 5 2 1. Order of this matrix is 3 by 2. First matrix of order 2 by 3, second matrix of order 3 by 2, then the resultant matrix of order is 2 by 2. That is product of two matrices A and B. So to find AB, multiplication of two matrices 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5 in B, 2 3 4 5 2 1, 7 shape. That is 1 into 2 2 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 3 into 2 6, 1 into 3 3 plus minus 2 into 5 minus 10 plus 3 into 1 3. Now second, minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 5 2s are 10. Now minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 2 5s are 10 plus 5 1s are 5. That is resultant matrix is 2 minus 8 minus 6 minus 6 plus 6 0, 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus 3, that means 3 minus 7 minus 3 minus 7 minus 4. Now minus 8 plus 8 0, 0 plus 10 10 minus 12 plus 10, that means 10 minus 12 is minus 2 plus 5, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3. This is the product of matrix AB. Try BA. Is it clear? So first given matrix is of order 2 by 3, second matrix of order 3 by 2, then the resultant matrix of order is 2 by 2. You got 2 by 2 matrix? Yes or no? In order to find BA, first matrix is of order 3 by 2, second matrix of order 2 by 3, then the resultant matrix is of order 3 by 3. That means BA order is 3 by 3. Yes or no? Find out that BA. Second question, if x plus y is equal to 5 2 0 9, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2, and x minus y is equal to 3 6 0 minus 1, order of this matrix is also 2 by 2. Find the matrices x and y. Listen here, from the question, addition of two matrices, after adding two matrices x and y, you got 2 by 2. That means we can say that order of the first matrix, that means order of the x matrix is 2 by 2. Order of the y matrix is also 2 by 2. We can say the order of the x matrix is also 2 by 2 and the order of y matrix is also 2 by 2. Now GT, x plus y is equal to 5 2 0 9, that is given, and x minus y is equal to 3 6 minus 1, which is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, that is x plus y plus x minus y is equal to. Can we add these two matrices? Addition is possible only when the order of the matrices are same. Since the order is same, so that I can add these two matrices in the RHS part. That is 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus minus 1. That means 9 minus 1, that is 8. 8, 8, 0, 8. That is order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Now, left hand side, we can cancel some terms. X plus y plus x minus y is equal to this resultant matrix. So, can I cancel this y plus y minus y? Can I cancel? Now, 2x is equal to 8, 8, 0, 8. Yes or no? No. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 into 8, 8, 0, 8. This is nothing but a scalar multiplication. That means 1 by 2 I have to add each term in the matrix. That means x is equal to 8 by 2 is 4, 4, 0, 4. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Now the required matrix of x is 4, 4, 0, 4. Now I am taking this x value to substitute any one of this equation in the equation number 1 or equation number 2. I am going to substitute, that is, listen here, 4, 4, 0, 4 plus y is equal to, plus y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9. 5, 2, 0, 9. Plus y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9. How to find the value of y? Listen here. Y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 minus 4, 4, 0, 4. What is the resultant matrix? Y matrix. Subtraction is possible only when the order of the given two matrices are same. Since the order is same, so that I can subtract these two matrices. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. This is the resultant matrix of y. And order of this matrix is also 2 by 2. Since x matrix is of order 2 by 2, y matrix is of order 2 by 2. So addition of two matrices, you got 2 by 2. Subtraction of two matrices of order 2 by 2. Listen here. 4 plus 1 is what? 5 I got. 4 plus minus 2, that means 4 minus 2 is 2 I got. 0 plus 0, 0 I got. 4 plus 5, that is 9. That means x plus y matrix is correct. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? This is the way you have to find out the values of, that means value of the matrices x and y.
So, fourth question. Find the values of x, y, z and t if 2 into x, z, y, t plus 3 into 1 minus 1, 0, 2 is equal to 3 into 3, 5, 4, 6. Left hand side and right hand side is a concept of scalar multiplication. Yes or no? That means I can write 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t plus 3 minus 3, 0, 6 is equal to 9, 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18. You have to find the values of unknown variable, that is x, y, z and t. Addition is possible only when the order of the matrices are same. Since the order is same, so that I can add these two matrices. So that is 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3 you will get. Plus into minus is minus. 2y plus 0, that is 2y, 2t plus 6 is equal to 9, 15, 12, 18. Yes or no? These two matrices are equal. Now we have to apply the definition of the equal matrix. When we will say that two matrices are equal, first condition is order should be same, and second is corresponding elements should be same. Two conditions are there for equal matrix. Order should be same and corresponding elements also same. Now, since the order are same, so that I can equate to first element. That means 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, 2x is equal to 9 minus 3 is what? 6. Therefore, 9 minus 3 is what? 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. X is equal to 3. Similarly, 2y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 6. Yes or no? Now, 2z minus 3. 2z minus 3 is equal to 15. Yes or no? 2z minus 3 is equal to 15. That is 2z is equal to 18. Therefore, z is equal to 9. Yes or no? Similarly, 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. Therefore, 2t is equal to 12. Therefore, t is equal to 6. The values of x is 3, y is 6, z is 9, and the t value is 6. Is it clear? Here we are going to use only two concepts, that is scalar multiplication and definition of equal matrix. Is it clear? Fifth question. If capital A is equal to 1, 2, minus 2, 0 and f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3, then find the value of f of capital A. Given that f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now, can you tell me what is f of y? In place of x, I have to replace y. That means y square plus 2x minus 3. F of m is what? M square plus 2m minus 3. Here what they are asking to find f of capital A. That means f of capital A is equal to a square plus 2a minus 3. In terms of matrices, I have to write 3i. Because the given A is of the form matrix form, so that I have to write the constant in terms of matrix form, so that I have to write it in identity matrix form. Identity matrix form is of order 2. Since the given matrix A is of order 2 by 2, that's why the identity matrix of order 2 by 2 we have to choose. Is it clear? Now you have to find A square. That means A into A. That means matrix multiplication. That is 1, 2, minus 2, 0. Again I have to multiply with the same matrix 1, 2, minus 2, 0. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 0, 0. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 0 into minus 2, 0. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 0 into 0, 0. What is A square value? 1 minus 4, minus 3, 2, minus 2, minus 4. This is nothing but A square value. Now, what is 2A? That means scalar multiplication. Yes or no? 2A. That means 2 into, what is A? 1, 2, minus 2, 0. That means 2 I have to multiply each element in the matrix. That is 2, 4, minus 4, 0. That is nothing but 2A. So now 3 into I2, identity matrix of order 2. That means 3 into 1, 0, 0, 1. That is 3, 0, 0, 3. This is nothing but 3i. Is it clear? So you have A square, you have 2a, you have 3i2. according to the question, solve a square plus 2a minus 3i. That means what is a square minus 3, 2, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 3, 2, minus 2, minus 4. Plus what is 2a, 2, 4, minus 4, 0. Minus 3, 0, 0, 3. What is the matrix? Addition and subtraction is possible only when the order of the matrices are same. So order is same, so that I can add, I can subtract also. Listen here, that is a resultant matrix. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, that means 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 3, that means minus 4. First element is minus 4. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0 is nothing but 6. 6. Now minus 2 plus minus 4, that means minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 6 minus 0 minus 6 minus 0 again minus 6. That's all. Okay. So minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 6 minus 0, that is minus 6. Now next, minus 4 plus 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. This is the resultant required matrix of f of a. Therefore f of a is equal to minus 4, 6 minus 6 minus 7. Is it? So far we have discussed few problems in this episode. I may again suggest to visit all the 5 episodes, then come back to this episode to better understand. Thank you.